Hey guys, Controversial Plays here with a tutorial that I thought would help because I again haven't recorded for a while and I kind of feel bad for that, but with a tutorial on how to make a successful Minecraft server. I literally have been trying to do this to connect with my friends on multiplayer Minecraft from their house and my house for over probably 3 years. And I've watched videos and tutorials that work for me, the server works for me and not my friends. And I figured out the solution to that. I guarantee this will work. If it doesn't, please note in the comments and I will research why. But I'm almost 100% positive this will work for you guys because I spent the 3 years on this. So, first thing you want to do is go ahead and go to portforward.com, and I'll put a link in the description. This exact place. This is a very clean and safe virustotal.com. This is very trust this network. You can trust me. This is a really great program. And what this does is it allows you to it basically helps you to get your server, your router, your wireless router, which most of you probably have, which runs your computer and your most likely your Wi-Fi. So to do that, Minecraft has a special code, and I realized a lot of people weren't mentioning this, and they were talking about all this hard port forwarding thing, and I was like, oh, I don't want to spend all my junky time doing all that. So this kind of does it and helps it for you. So we're gonna go ahead. You go ahead and download this. I've already downloaded, but I'll go to save file. So go ahead and run that file, and then you'll get up a page like this right here, and it'll download. Just click finish, and it should run the program here. It has to take some time here. Okay, so this is just a trial, so you just go trial, and this will put up your external IP. So what you'll do at that time is it'll say there's a trial, but it really isn't. So go ahead and click pf config. This will you don't want to click the full version. That's kind of my fault. So once you have that, go ahead and click this, and then pf config, and then do this. This is gonna check everything. So you'll notice here I have what this does is pf config port forward. So you'll have your default applications and custom applications. So to do this, this has a list of games. So it has hundreds of games here, including Minecraft. You'll have to find Minecraft here. And once you find Minecraft, just click forward this app right here. Once you find, so you'll select and forward this app, and then it should come up right here. So I put Minecraft server in it, and the TCP and the UPC, which is the thing that goes in and out, is 25565, and it'll automatically do that for you. So you'll have it right there. You're just going to do forward this app and then update router. So you'll update your router so that the router knows what to do when your friend's like, oh, I'm trying to connect. Once you do that, you can X out of that and go ahead and just do. So once you have that, you're going to go ahead and check your router. So just X out of this, and you're going to go back into your regular PF. So I don't have it open right now. But once you have it open, you'll see a little button. It'll say I don't have it open right now because I'm going to get started, but it says just check the port, and it's really easy to find. Go ahead and check the port and make sure it's there, and it should be fine at that point. Ask me if you have any questions in the comments for that. So we can X out of that, and next one's going to be the link to. It's minecraft.net/download, and this one is to download the actual server. So once we get here, we're going to go ahead and we're going to want to download the one we want. So make sure you have Minecraft. You can buy it from here too, and you can go home and buy it there. And then you want to download the Minecraft server, the newest one. I would, and it would be, if you're running on Windows, do this one, and if you're running on any other one, any other place or environment or Linux or Mac or anything like that, click here. And then but for now I'm running on Windows, so I'm going to go ahead and click this one. I use 1.8.8 server because that's what was newest, but we're going to be using 1.8.8 here. So you'll go ahead and have that, and you're going to want to take this. So go ahead and minimize this, and I have a messy desktop, I get it. So once you have that, go ahead and drag your, first go ahead and make a new folder. So this won't work until you make a new folder. So go ahead and make a new folder, and you're just going to call it whatever, doesn't matter, but you could call it, I'm going to call it server 1 test. So once you have that, this will not work if you run it without it being in a folder. So go ahead and take this, drag your server into your server test 1. You'll notice it's in here. So then what you're going to do, quickly go ahead and click on this. And once you do that, go ahead, yep, so you'll have this. So it won't keep going. You're going to have to run this again. What you're going to have to do is there's an EOLA. This, you're going to have to agree to it. So go ahead and edit it with a notepad or whatever you have. And it'll say EOLA equals false. You want to change that false simply to true. No spaces, no nothing. Just like that. That's it. Then you want to go up to File and click not Save As, but just Save. And then you can go ahead and X out of that. Click your server again, and it will start putting a lot more files down. So this is gonna start putting a bunch more files down here. And you'll notice it runs this. So this is gonna be your server right here. This is what your server looks like. You have to have this open for your server to work. There's a couple commands I'm gonna show you. So go ahead and minimize that, and you'll have all your things right here. So your world is right here. You can change that out. There's logs, and then there's server properties. So this is your properties and what to do. You can have banned people, and you can have a whitelist, and you can have a user cake. So I like to edit the server properties because it helps me. So let's see. So you could change the level world to test or whatever name you want it to be, and then you could allow flight, and then you could and then remember the server port's 25565. Don't change anything but don't change this, but do change. You can change your game mode and enable command block and all that kind of stuff. Just don't change the other stuff, because that wouldn't be good. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and next time and change that to true, and change that to game mode 1 so that I can show you. And now that we have that, it'll say a Minecraft server. Let's say we want to name the server test. Mod TD means the name of the server. So go ahead and click save, just like we did with the other file. Change everything you want in it. Go ahead and next out of that. Then you can first you're going to have to close your old Minecraft server, but you don't just click X. Never click X, because that won't save. That won't save your server. So simply do the command /stop /stop. Click enter. It'll just stop your server. That saves it so that your world is saved. Go ahead and click on your server again. That'll run it. I'm going to go ahead and open up Minecraft. Okay, so once you have that, go ahead and open up your internet, and then we'll open Minecraft. I forgot one thing here. So first you need to find your external IP address. That's the only way your friends can connect. I know a lot of people say, now to connect for your friends, go in and find your IPv4 address. That's not going to work. That's only going to work for you. In this case, I use a website, the same website that I gave you here, portforward.com. That's really helpful, and on the first home screen, if you go to it, it'll show you your IP address. So once you get your external IP address, not your IP4, get your external IP address. Go ahead and copy that, and you're going to X out and paste it into the Minecraft server address bar, the one where you're supposed to put the IP address. That will work. You can name your server anything. I'm going to pull up Minecraft and show you. So once you have that, you're going to go ahead and connect. I'm using one of my old servers here that I've already made, because you can literally only have one server on your IP, because you only have one external IP address, so it won't work. It'll confuse your router. So I'm going to use the one I already had. So basically, you'll have your server, and you'll have this. So you notice I have the regular other servers here, and this is actually my server right here, and I made it out of 1,000. You can change that too. And what you do is go ahead and just click the arrow in, and you'll notice as I'm logging in, I'm able to fly, although the game mode in this world is actually survival or adventure. You'll notice right here, it has to load a little bit. It's actually fairly nice. And then I can just go game mode. I can go /game here, /game mode creative, and it'll bring me into creative. And you'll notice here, I'm actually building a PvP arena right now for my server, and this server I've built a ton of, so this is kind of crazy. Now I need to dig out of here. But you'll notice I'm able to change game modes and do commands. That's because I'm opt. Now the /opt command is an amazing command that allows you to do a ton of things. So go ahead and go into this right here, and you'll notice players online is me right here. You'll notice this little bar. This enables commands. So if I say /say hi, it'll say server hi right in the game, if you can see that. So all we have to do is this. We can go, I'm already opt, so all you have to do is, I'm going to de-opt myself, and to opt and de-opt, you do /op, /op, space your username, and then to de-opt, you do /deop, space your user. Once you have that, go ahead and click enter, and it'll de-opt you or opt you, so /op, Adventus 114, we can click enter. It says opt Adventus 114. Now we can do commands, any ones that we want. So there's a couple things you're going to need from your server. I'm still trying to figure out on the server how to add in the elements in vanilla Minecraft. So add in the how to make it so that only in adventure mode you can only destroy certain blocks, like in some servers where you destroy a block and then it replaces itself. I'm still trying to figure that out. To make that customized. So if you guys know anything about that, please let me know. But to end this video, you can build really anything on these servers. So much fun, and to opt yourself. And I've played with my friend all the time. He's not on right now, but he helped me build a lot of this. So if the port forwarding thing is confusing or hard to understand, please let me know in the comments. I will help you as much as I can. Maybe I'll just do a separate video on that. It's really not that simple. Go to those two websites and try it out. There's directions on portforwarding.com to make the whole Minecraft server. That's how I did it. And if you need more help, go ahead and read that for them. But I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I am sorry that I didn't post a video. I've been gone for a long time, a really long time. So this is going to be the start of some new videos. And I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you did, please hit that subscribe button and like button down below. And yes, looks like I might or might not see you guys next time. Bye!